Reading and Northern. CSX. BNSF. Conway Terminal. Guys, that was I'm right here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and that was Conway Yard. Here. There it is.
Why don't you just leave that here?
Ford F-250. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Look at it. Here's what I was wanting to check out. This so-called monster truck here. Looks like a monster truck. Uh-oh. F-350 Ranger. What the heck? What the heck is... What the heck? Uh-oh. Oh, it's a fire truck. There you go. Well, maybe. Yeah, that monster truck back there, that one I was looking at, that was a Ford F-350 Ranger. Yo, is that Vicky?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, hey, how you doing?
Yeah.
Nice.
Want to eat? Yeah, I'm
Thanks.
thirsty actually already.
I didn't expect to see you here.
You didn't?
No. Oh, there's Mark over there. I was wondering where he was.
Who did you think was coming?
I didn't think anybody was coming.
Oh.
I really wish my sister and her boyfriend were here. He would have liked, maybe there's tractors on display, and he loves tractors.
Why didn't they come?
Oh, I think...
They basically live all the way out in Verona, that's why.
Yeah, and...
So, you know,
I've been to Verona. That's where the animal hospital place is, where we took our sick squirrel
Oh,
one time.
oh. Is there one there? Yeah, like it takes
Yeah,
them a
they
while
have
to
a-
get to our house.
They have a
Yeah.
wildlife rehab there.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so if you ever find a sick
Oh,
animal.
you know what? Actually, that's a good thing to know. Like, yeah.
Yes, if you're wondering what truck Hunter drives, it's probably it's his favorite thing, a Ford
She probably
F-150
wasn't
pickup.
wondering.
He's all about Ford. Yeah, Mark actually came to my house last weekend with his Ford F-350. It was his work truck, and to bring his quad up. I even asked him if he wanted to like trade his SUV for a personal truck, but he said his work one is okay.
Yeah.
Who knows, he might even get a trailer for his SUV, right, Ma? They make trailers for quads like that. This kind of reminds me of the LA County Fair.
I didn't. I just
No.
meant for you to bring it along. I guess that-
No. This kind of reminds me of the LA...
Tie it around your waist if you're hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I would do.
This kind of reminds me of
Once
the...
the sun goes down, it'll probably get cool. All right, I'm going to see if
Alright. Yeah, you know, this kind of reminds me of the LA County Fair. You know the Fairplex in Pomona? Have you heard of it?
No.
Well, apparently it happens every year in May. It's actually next to a railroad museum. It's called the Rail Giants Train Museum at the LA County Fairgrounds in Pomona, California. And unfortunately, even though the fair is all year, is like
Probably bigger than this little one.
yeah, even though the fair is going for a month, the museum is open all year round. However, it's only open on the second weekend of each month. Saturday and Sunday, the second weekend, from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can like see the locomotives from a distance, but you can't go into them in the museum. But the best part is that when the museum is open, it's free to get into. On some of the locomotives, some of them you can go into the cab. You can even there's even there's an air compressor that makes the whistle sound and the bell sound. It's compressed, so because it's compressed, it doesn't sound the same as if it was under steam. So if any of your family members or if Mark plans to go out there, you could tell him about it. Maybe he'd get a chance to see it. If he's going on the second weekend
I
of
just
one of the
realized
months.
you got taller because now I have to look up higher when I'm talking to you.
Yeah. Surprisingly, I'm not sweating yet. Okay, I'm sweating a little bit, but it's just
I'd
starting.
tie that flannel around your waist. That's what I do with mine.
Yeah.
I wear flannels to work every day. When I get hot, that's what I do.
Yeah. So is Mariah here?
She's coming, and if you really want, she's bringing the baby with the stroller. And
Oh,
You
nice.
can throw your flannel underneath in a little basket if you don't want to tie it.
All right. I wouldn't do that because I'm so excited about this place, I'd forget about it. Mark.
I'll remind you.
All right. Or who knows? Mark might even do what my Uncle Jason did and mail it to me years later. Yeah, I still can't believe Bob and Brandy are grandparents and you and Mark are grandparents.
Me neither, man.
Yeah, however, Mom and Dad over there are not grandparents because I'm too young. I'm still in school. This is only like my third day.
Right. Give it some time, man.
Yeah,
Give
this
it
is.
some time.
Yeah.
No hurry.
Yeah, this is only my third day of 10th grade. Plan to do a lot in October and November. You know, if I ever meet a girl in like PA Cyber, the school I go to is PA Cyber. Are you aware?
Yeah.
It's because it's a cyber school. You do everything on a computer from your home.
Right.
You can't meet like other kids like a normal school like Mariah went to. What was the school? New Brighton High.
Yeah.
Yeah, she probably has.
Do they ever have like
field trips?
Yeah, like activities where you can get together with
Yes,
other cyber school
yes,
kids?
yes, they do have field trips, but it's
fun.
but it's either on a day when my mom is working,
Oh,
or it's too far away and we can't go.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah. And unfortunately, there's no dating app safe enough for my age, so I feel like I'm out of luck right now.
Yeah.
I really want one by the time I'm 16 because I really want to get my dream truck to just drive around the city in.
Yeah.
If you're wondering,
Dating apps can be weird. Like,
yeah.
people online always like act to be a little bit of what they're not, you know, just to impress people. It's
Yeah.
kind of much better to meet someone in person.
Yeah, and another thing is that my mom told me the safer way to meet a girl would be to find a group of friends with a girl in it. But my neighborhood is dead. There's no one in there,
Right.
except for my friend Rowan. Yes, Ma?
Oh, so if you get lost again.
Oh, speaking of lost, give me your phone.
No, because then I won't have my phone.
Use Dad's phone.
I'm not going to be with him probably either.
Oh. Like, see, Mom, when are you going to get...
Where were we with the Butler?
Butler
Farm
County.
We're
show.
ditching everybody.
Butler County Fair.
He doesn't have a phone, so of course we lose him.
There's that fire truck. What? Alright. There.
Ranging in weight from 225 pounds to 233 pounds.
Wow. I need to get a GoPro.
Okay, I know.
Oh, he's getting a... What is he doing?
Rooting around.
Are boars related to pigs? I think they are. Yeah, they are. What am I thinking? Sorry. Alright. I think the tractor's... Yep, here we go. Oliver. Yeah. Tell me about it. Oh! Farm Mall 656, pulling a threshing machine. 1950 Farm Mall Super M, I think. What does this mean, got milk? What does that mean?
Dairy farmers, cows.
Oh, okay.
Got milk.
I see. Yeah. Here's a little Farm Mall A. Yo, that looks like Fergie.
I like these ones.
This is like Fergie. Remember him?
Uh-huh.
Except he's a TE20, and this is a 30. I think this is one of his siblings. There's this engine.
What's this hole in here?
A
welder.
Yeah. It's like an engine that's just separate to power anything without going around, I guess. Over there's a Farm Mall M. This here's the International 340. 1947 Alice Chalmers Model C. Has a Rural King battery pack on it. America's Farm and Home Store. Rural King. Auto truck, SUV, and van. Alice Chalmers WC. Oh. There you are, Mom. Don't...
I'm right here.
There's...
How cute that is, made out of all landscaping.
Oh, yeah.
That's a cute little idea.
Oh, that one's starting up. That's an Oliver 1750 diesel. Cub Cadet 108. John Deere 140. That sounds like a 4-cylinder engine, doesn't it? Oh. Dude. Here's an old... This is a Farm Mall F20. This is a 1920s tractor with a sickle bar. Another Farm Mall M. Oh my, look at this! This is a 1206 right here.
Don't touch it.
I won't. Dad, look at this tractor. It's a Farmall 1206.
Big one.
Yeah, this is a muscle tractor right here. This right here, this is a muscle tractor. I mean, look, it's bigger than me, for Pete's sake. Look at this. Oh, turbo, McCormick Farmall, 1206 diesel. Just a second, guys. Here's an International number 35 model side delivery hay rake and another Farmall M. Another M right there. Wow. There's that Farmall tractor in full view. Look at that. Nice. Here's a Farmall M, guys. McCormick Farmall, made in USA. International Harvester Company, Chicago, USA. This here is the clutch, and this is the shifter right here. The gear pattern is right here. There's reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So look, there's neutral, reverse, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Here's the 540 RPM PTO. And right here is the brake pedals. You just push them forward and you lift this up to lock the brakes on. And to unlock the brakes, you just push them further again. The push pedal starter button is not there, but that's okay. It'll start some other way. Got the wheel weights. Everything. Here's an Oliver 1850. Oh, wow. Here's the old Oliver 1650. Another 1850. They're both wide fronts right there. We have a 1550 narrow front. Here's a Farmall 400. I see a 400 over here. Here's the shift pattern for the... This is the shift pattern for the Oliver 1860. Farmall 400 gas with a torque amplifier. Oh wow. Cockshut 30. Here's a Super MTA. This is the one that has the live PTO and shift on the go and the torque amplifier. Here's a Cockshut 30. Wasn't Cockshut Canadian?
Yeah, made in Canada.
Nice. Wasn't that bought by Oliver and then Oliver get bought by White and White became AGCO? I think so. Oh, geez. Right here we got a Farmall H. Yeah, there it is. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I guess you're allowed on these. Ugh. Wow. Good. Reverse 1. Look at this, Dad. I could drive this thing easily. There's the shift pattern. There's neutral, second, first, reverse 1, fourth, fifth, third, reverse 2, and 6. Clutch is a little high, don't you think? Look how far I have to press it down.
Yeah, don't do that, dude.
Yeah, alright, you got it. You got it. There's that engine again. Look at these collection of tractors, guys. They got a Cockshut 1555 narrow front, Alice Chalmers D19, a modified D19 with a cab, WD-50, it's an Oliver's. Cockshut 1950T, another narrow front one, Farm LM Unifront, oh, white Farm LM. Nice. Nancy Harris. Oh, excuse me. We got some equipment here too. There's a train layout down here. Excuse me, pardon me. There it is right here. It's a pretty small one though, but that's okay. Nice. Let's see, we got a New Holland Workmaster 255 garden tractor with a 100 LC front loader and bucket.
We're also at Hookstown with powerful introductions.
We also have a Workmaster 75, the 550 LU front loader. These black things here, Mom, these are the wheel weights. They're bolted on here. Yeah. PTO cover. Drawbars in perfect condition. Look at that.
Alright, here we go.
Oh.
A little bit farther there. Just shy of the 250 marker.
Lots of good Fords and lots of awesome.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, there's lots of good trucks over there. There's even one on a fifth wheel.
240.46.
Look at all that.
As we get ready to send your last vehicle in the class. Dennis Nicholson will be up next with the Wild Thing, a 1971 Chevrolet out of Norfolk, Pennsylvania. He will be your last competitor in the
Here
Pro
comes the
Stock
tractor
class.
smoothing it out.
And then we will crown your winner of the points series and move into the Super Stock trucks.
John Deere. Barely.
What do they call that? Whenever people go.
Click to build your Rhino tag under the Born to Lead text. Select a product and spec it out with any option we offer. And always contact your local dealer for any finance specials or seasonal offers at rhinoag.com. So sled's ready. There's the green flags for Dennis Nicholson, the Wild Thing.
Are they pulling him? Oh my goodness, they are.
Against that little yoke.
I guess that truck, I don't think the truck has reverse on it. Yeah, that's why I gotta have a buggy, the John Deere, there to pull it.
Wait up, you guys!
Hey, who do you think this sounds like?
Help! My name is Principal McVicker. Where are those monsters, Beavis and Butthead?
Did you see that movie?
No.
No, but I have seen the series a little bit. They got a new series on Paramount Plus.
I think I saw it, like, that it was advertised.
Yeah. Principal McVicker, he was the guy who sounded like he was a 90-year-old man.
Oh my god, that is so old.
Yeah. Yeah, the show aired from 93 to 97.
Oh my God.
It came back in 2011, and now it's back again in 2022.
What do we need?
Do any of you guys see those lights over there? Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway, look at those lights. Those are the food stands over there. And if you listen closely over me talking over my loud mouth, that was the truck full over there. If you're wondering what my voice is, it's Principal McVicker from Highland High School. The setting and the character from the TV series Beavis and Butthead. Oh, P.S. and fun fact, they got a new series streaming exclusively on Paramount Plus this year. That started on August 4th. They've even got a new movie called Beavis and Butthead to the Universe.
Anyway, guys, that was just my Beavis and Butthead Principal McVicker voice. Be back. Having some ice cream, guys. Soft serve vanilla.
They have a very nice.
Nice.
Why don't you put
Oh,
that away?
all right, hold on. All right, that's it, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. See ya. Just a bonus, guys. Okay, see ya.